The following is a short tutorial on how to create a widget inside of D2L. So what a widget is in D2L is a space, and inside that space you can put a variety of different things, really anything you want. So for instance, in this top bar of icons, that is a widget. The calendar is a widget, news is a widget, and we can create these widgets, not just use the ones that are given to us, and this is a real nice feature of D2L. So I'm just going to show you how you can create one. So you go to Edit Course. Once in Edit Course, you're going to see the word widgets right here. Now you're going to see a list of all the widgets that you have access to, but this blue button will allow you to create a widget. So I'm just going to click on that. So let's just say I wanted a widget to show students the different power words that we're using each week. I could call this power words, and from there I can then just save and close, or I could actually go put in those power words if I went to content. But just to show you how this looks, I'm actually just going to leave the content blank from now, and I'm just going to save and close this. So you got to remember what you called the widget. That's the most important part. So the widget's called power words. So when I go back to my home page, if I scroll down to the very bottom, I'll see these three dots. If I click on them, you're going to see that I have edit home page, and that's because I made a copy of a home page. And if you haven't done that, you can just watch the other video in this section and we'll show you how to do that. But because I've made a copy, I can now edit the home page. So when I edit the home page, I can scroll down and look, it says add widget in different spots. You can put them all over your page. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to add it here, and I'm going to search what I called it. So here's power words. I can just select it, and if I want, I can drag it wherever I want on the page. So right now I'm just going to drag it here above my calendar, and I'm going to save and close. So when I go back, now you're going to see I have a space that's called power words that has nothing in it. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to edit this widget now. And this brings me back to that page I was on before where I could get to content. Now content is where you put everything. So if I went into here and did content, I could do whatever I wanted to. I could write whatever I wanted. I could bring in videos. I could bring in links. Really within here, it's just like a news post, but it's what's going to show up on your page. So for instance, I could bring in an image. So say I wanted this image, I could right click that and save it to my computer, right? So I'm just going to call this power words. It's on my desktop. So once I save the image I want to my computer, I can go in here just like I would in a news post and add an image. When I add an image, I go my computer, I just upload that file, there it is, and I can open it. And I can add that right into my page. Remember just to click this is decorative, or you could label it power words, whatever you like. And now there it is. I like to center things. I think it always looks good. And from here now, if I hit enter, I can come underneath and I can write the words that we're learning that week. So, and remember, you can edit this just like you would any type of Word document. You can make it bigger. You can change the font, change the color, all sorts of things. But now when I save and close it, I can go back to my home page by clicking on my class name at the top of the page. And you will see here that I have a Power Words widget. Inside that Power Words widget is the image and the text that I put in. Now at any point you can drop this down and click edit this widget. You could change the title, you could pull out the graphics and the text, you could put anything within this space because it's simply just a space. At DSBN we do all sorts of great things with creating widgets. You know, people create widgets when they put their timetables in there. They make lists of quick links. They have brag boards, birthday widgets. Some people put Google Slides in a widget so they can have a slideshow running through their course. Some people use it for a week at a glance. There's lots of different ideas when it comes to creating widgets and adding them in your page. The key is just to understand that when you create that widget, it's just a space and you can edit it using the same tools that you use in the news tool. So that is a quick video on how to create a widget and add it to your page in D2L.